Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Today, I'll show you the gold. A lot of people trade gold and ask me about this, and the options bot on the gold 10 Spy Money bars actually did a little over $2,000 for the whole session. And I had to keep rebooting my computer because when you're programming stuff, you've got to reboot. So we actually had a little more than that. So our goal is to get 500 or 50% of our trade. So gold being $1,000, we're looking for $500, and it more than did that, about 4 times over. Just since about just after FOMC, about 2:30, I got it back on, and it made $500 for that amount of time. So it did really well. How do you get started with the option bot? Well, you go into the Ninja Suite. So you go to Spy Money LLC, go to the Ninja Suite, and you want to watch this little video here, and it tells you how to copy this and put it into your contact. And once you do that, that means you agree to all these terms, and I send you a link to get started. So it's real simple. A lot of videos in here, and there is some information here to tell you the bots we change back and forth, so I don't list those anymore, but there are several bots that you can use. Option bot is really the #1 bot used. Options, Flame, and Fire are the 3 bots that people use, but I'd say probably 80% of the people use the options bot, if not 90%. Options bot does an excellent job, and with the pre-made templates that we have in the bot itself, so all you have to do is just load it. It tells you time frames, tells you the instrument, and it automatically puts all the settings in there. You turn it on and just watch it. You don't want to turn it on and walk away though. We have a lot of other things: toolbar, trade copier. We have a very nice chart trader that we are still working on, but a lot of things we have are really good. You can look at the questions here, and it will probably answer about every question you have. If not, you come up to the Contact Us, click on this, fill this out with your name, email, phone number if you need me to call you, and your message, and then I will get back to you as soon as possible. On the funded accounts, if you don't have the money for it, you can do a funded account. Live is always better, of course, but the 3 I recommend are these 3 here: Take Profit, BluSky, and Apex. BluSky is the only one that has a live trading account once you pass, so a lot of good things about that. And if you have any questions or anything, let me know. Be happy to help you. We're running bots every day, and it's just a matter of picking your poison, which one you want. The crude oil did. I think crude oil ended up finishing up around $600 today. Crude oil really didn't move today. Didn't move at all, and the rest of them did pretty decent. A lot of people just talk about the gold. I know that the NQ ended up finishing, I've already turned it off, but I think the NQ ended up finishing, I think it was $700 or $800, I think is what it finished up, so it did really well too. But if you have any questions, let me know. Be happy to help you out. Go here to the Ninja Suite, get started on it, copy and paste this into the contact. I'll send you a link, get started. You can get started immediately. Everything is all online. Have a great day.